Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to use conditional formatting in Google Sheet. So here I have a data set. Suppose we want to highlight the performance ratings in different color. A is green, B is orange, C is red. So how to do that? So first thing is I select all the ratings. I click on the first cell. पहले सेल पर क्लिक करो. कीबोर्ड पर शिफ्ट और कंट्रोल दबाओ. डाउन एरो दबाओ. कीबोर्ड पर डाउन एरो दबाने से पूरा कॉलम सिलेक्ट हो जाता है. देन वी गो टू फॉर्मेट. क्लिक ऑन कंडीशनल फॉर्मेटिंग. नाउ इट हैज बाय डिफॉल्ट टेकन दिस रेंज. अपने आप इसने रेंज ले लिया है क्योंकि मैंने पहले ही सिलेक्ट कर रखा था. देन is not empty. Format rules. Format cells if is not empty की बजाय is equal to. Let's take is equal to. And what should be the value? A. If it is A, I want this to be default green color. So I choose this, click on done. Then I add another rule. The range is the same. Again, I will say is equal to. फिर एक बार is equal to चुनते हैं. अब की बार B. This time we say B. But B I want to be highlighted in this color. Done. Click on add another rule. Again is equal to. This time C I want to be highlighted in red background. Done. Sorry, forgot to put C here. So is equal to C. Format cells if is equal to C. Default value is default color is red rather. Now I can close this. Now you see here all the ratings are highlighted. Tomorrow if somebody's rating changes, A changes to B, enter. See the color automatically changes. This is how you use conditional formatting so that just by looking at it you come to know. Thank you.